Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dry dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Castor and Pollux Organix grain-free dry dog food. This meal contains natural ingredients that are approved by the USDA's organic program. It has free-range chicken as the main protein and source of fats, amino acids, and minerals. Sweet potatoes provide much-needed carbohydrates, while ingredients like chickpeas, peas, and chicken liver boost the protein content. It also has a combination of superfoods such as flaxseed, blueberries, and coconut oil, which make it nutritious and appetizing. Because this meal is made with senior pups in mind, it has glucosamine and chondroitin supplements that rejuvenate joints and deal with the wear and tear that comes with old age. All the ingredients are cooked in an organic kitchen, making this the best healthy dog food that you can buy for your dog. Furthermore, the absence of additives and chemicals reduces the likelihood of an allergic reaction and makes it the best dry food for pups with sensitive stomachs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Nutro Natural Choice Adult and Senior Dry Dog Food. This meal contains ingredients that have not been genetically modified, in line with the requirements for organic dog meals. It has meat from farm-range chickens that have been raised without exposure to chemicals. It also has whole brown rice and sweet potato combination that provides carbohydrates. Apples, carrots, beet pulp, and fish oils provide vitamins and minerals that are necessary for a balanced diet. This meal is designed with all canine age groups in mind. It has supplements that support the canine's aging immune system and essential antioxidants that maintain the health of young pups. This nutritional composition is suitable for small canine breeds but can also be used for all canines in the required amounts. If you are a canine owner who loves supporting local businesses, you will be happy to know that the ingredients for this dry meal are prepared in the best U.S. facilities and adhere to local manufacturing standards. At number 3, we have the Health Extension Dry Recipe. If you are looking for a food brand that has been around for years, look no further than Health Extension. This dry food brand is known for its quality organic ingredient and reliable quality assurance practices. Because it is manufactured by one of the best family-owned enterprises in the U.S. dry pup food market, you can put your confidence in it. This dry meal has a free-range chicken meal as its protein base and source of omega and amino acids. Other protein components include lamb meal and fish meal, both of which are popular anti-allergenic protein choices for pup food. Oatmeal and brown rice provide the much-needed carbohydrates, while the rosemary extract gives the meal a nice flavor. It also includes ingredients like turmeric, ginger, vinegar, and probiotics, which aid digestion. The combination promotes healthy skin and a shiny coat. The nutritional composition of this food makes it suitable for all pup ages. As such, it is the best choice for a household with multiple pup breeds and sizes. Although the portions you give a pup will differ from those you give a senior pup, both of them will gain the same nutritional advantages. At number 2, we have the Tender and True Dry Kibbles. The owners of this Midwestern brand prioritize humane treatment of the animals used in dry food production. The chickens used as a first protein base have been humanely raised in free-range environments. They are free from genetic modification, chemical intake, and other methods of rearing that go against organic food standards. This dry food has one of the best formulae of all grain-free products in the market. The ingredients used include chicken, dried pea, chickpea, chicken liver, vitamins, and antioxidants. The kibbles are moderately sized to make them appropriate for all dog ages. When compared to other dry food brands, this one has a lower calorie count. The low calorie count makes it the best choice for pet owners who are worried about weight gain but do not want to switch from organic food brands. And finally, at number 1, we have the Natural Balance Low-Calorie Dry Food. This high-protein meal offers a satiating mix of meat that caters to nutritional needs and fiber that keeps pups full to prevent them from constant snacking. It contains chicken and salmon meal that acts as a robust protein base. Because of these proteins, your pup will conserve lean muscle during the weight loss process. This dry food also has beans, peas, oat, and barley, which provide enough satiating fiber. By providing a high amount of fiber, this dry food keeps your pup full for long and offers the best solution for loose stools. Your pup will be able to pass soft, solid stool once he starts eating this dry food. For old pups and those that are ailing, the supplements in this dry food ensure the health of joints and bones. The low-calorie content does not compromise the pup's nutritional needs. Each cup of this food has only 300 calories, which is one of the best quantities offered by any product in the weight loss pup food market. Despite being high in fiber, the dry kibbles are also quite flavorful, and most pups enjoy having this meal daily. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.